Hello everyone, welcome back to SS Software Solution again. So I'm gonna show you today a few musical software over here. One is Chord Writer and another one is Midi Chord. So let's start. In this software we have a bunch of options. You can actually transport chord, write chord with the lyrics and those kind of stuff. So over here let me show you the transpose chord whatever already written and created over here. So from C just select transpose from C to D or E to D, whatever you want. Then after doing that you can use chord fetcher. Chord fetcher actually say that sometimes we need to write all the chord in one line, you see. So I'm writing all the chord in one line to make to create a MIDI signal for that one. So let's go back over there. It's called like as a MIDI chord. That means like whatever chord is there we can midify it. We can create a MIDI file for that one. And let's open that one too over here. It's opening. And whatever is created over here, let's paste that one, the one we got from chord fetcher, and set the velocity level, so then it will gonna sound more humanly. Okay, now generate the chord with that one, generate the MIDI file. Yep, so MIDI file is being generated, and let's save it actually first. Okay, it's saved. And let's import the MIDI file over here in any track. I'm using Reason. You can use any actually DAW, and that MIDI file actually MIDI signal of the chord. Now it is pretty much easier. Just write the chord in the lyrics and put it in one line, then just create a MIDI signal from there. That's it. And you can actually let's see, we can hear anything else. Yeah, you see the scale is same. You can switch the scale also from here, like octave. If it is D3 or D4, select all together, then change it from there. We can change it from there. Okay, so it's done. This is the way we can create MIDI file. Now let's see the generalizing chord. What is generalizing chord, and actually how we gonna write the chord? Over here we can actually create the chord first. So from the lyrics we can select which scale it should be. Of course we gotta find out the scale and find out the chord based on the lyrics, based on the tune, and find out the bar. Yeah, it's 4x4 chord, and it's automatically generated the bars, and you just write the chord, okay, per line where it goes and which bar it goes. Yep. So C, A minor, G, F, A minor, just random regular chord, G, then E major, then again C. Then you see the chord is generated based on top of the lyrics, and we can save the chord lyrics in a txt file. Then we can move it to Microsoft Word document and whatever it requires, whatever it needs. So we can save the file and we can use it later on. So this is the way I'm saving the chord over here. Yep, it's saved. And let's see where is the file actually. that txt file. Yep, here it is. Yeah, you can see. So this is the way we can write the chord on top of the lyrics very easily. And then okay, so now after creating the chord, we can generalize the chord. That means we can create the Roman letter like one minor, two major, like one major or two minor, like that. So some musicians write this way so that they can play from any keys. They don't write the absolute chord, they just write the signal Roman way. And from here, if anything written in the Roman way, we can choose any scale, major or minor scale, or any root, any key, then you're gonna generate the chord from there. Very cool, right? You see, then again you can save it to txt file. This is the way you can like write any chord from any song. You can choose your scale, your root, your keys. And again from there you can move it to again chord fetcher, move it to single line, okay, then move it to single line and again midify the chord. That's it. Thank you.